Dashcam is a great tool for capturing any unexpected events that may happen on the roads and in the parking lot. And this is really quite a unique dashcam. Welcome guys to the best place for your latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology presenting you industry's first 360-degree dashcam. This is the 70mm dashcam Omni. This will not only record video of your driving perspective but also supports a 360-degree angle of view to record every small details while necessary. Let's start this video with the unboxing part. Here inside the box we have the camera itself, coming with a standard dual port USB charger, USB Type-C cable, electrostatic stickers, a pry tool and the user manual. Now let's talk about the design. The head, which has a camera, rotates 340 degrees, below which we have a screen which displays content like recording status and some cool emotes. On the side we have some buttons. There is a glowing ring beneath the screen that gives feedback about Omni's status. The different color gives different meaning. Blue means it is listening, loading or successfully operate your command, while red means there's an error or emergency event. The camera comes with 140-degree field of view with a 1080p of clarity. Omni is embedded with the new PureCell Plus S HDR and f1.5 large aperture, so you don't miss any details even in the night. This also comes with AI motion detection algorithm which detects suspicious human activities around the car, calculates the person's distance and intention and will start recording once it identifies someone as a potential threat. You can easily track your route with the built-in GPS. During driving, it logs in your real-time coordinate and locate it precisely in the case of emergency. The Omni has a collision detection, so the camera immediately identifies the direction of the hit and start recording. It saves 5 seconds of the video prior to the collision and 10 seconds after the collision into the events folder, so you can check the overall affair on your app. Also, you get the ADAS support, which will alert you if you are driving your car in the wrong lane, alerts also when you are too close to the vehicle ahead and also when you are too close to the pedestrians or bikers. You can also control this using your voice as it supports voice commands. By just giving simple commands, the camera performs the activities shoot right without turning your attention away from driving. Now let's talk about the application. The connection is pretty much easy. Just power on your dashcam, open up your application and add the device. It will automatically search the nearest device and connect with it. So here inside the application you get the live view on the top, a camera icon to capture videos, the gallery icon to view the previous recorded videos and photos, a tripod head calibration icon, and also you get the buttons to control the camera manually. Here in the more settings panel you can turn on the collision detection, motion detection, surveillance light effect and the time-lapse photograph. Also you can set the video coding, the resolution, even the video clip's duration and many more. So this was pretty much everything about the 70mm dashcam Omni. To get your own dashcam, check the link in the description down below. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and also give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.